Good morning and welcome to your daily operations weather briefing. Well, the tranquil weather that we have had over the last few days is going to come to an end today. So we have a storm system that will be sweeping through the mid-Atlantic region and giving us a pretty good chance of some showers and thunderstorms, some of which could be severe as we go into the afternoon. Looking at our current surface analysis, you can see that warm front starting to make its way north. It's going to put us in the warm sector, really increase our instability as we go throughout the afternoon hours today. And all the while, this area of low pressure will continue to move east toward the northeast United States, dragging a cold front through our region later on this afternoon into the evening hours. Out there right now, not really anything to be concerned with for the next couple of hours, as we just have a few light rain showers starting to make their way up the eastern seaboard toward the Wallops region. We could see a few rain showers over the course of the next few hours, and then after about 11 or 12 o'clock, that's when things are really going to start enhancing with our shower development, and we will see a pretty good chance of some of those storms making their way throughout the Wallops region. Taking a look here at one of our short range models, you can see here kind of what we're expecting as we go through the day today. Looking at 12 o'clock this afternoon, some of those showers with some embedded thunderstorms start to rotate into the Wallops region ahead of the main front that will make its way through later on this afternoon into the evening hours, probably more like about 8 o'clock when that frontal boundary crosses the area this evening. But out ahead of that, that's when we're going to see some of these strong thunderstorms make their way through. This is 1 o'clock this afternoon. You can see some of those storms beginning to really start to enhance over our area. They are going to be scattered, but pretty abundant in nature, so pretty good chance that we will see at least one or two of these storms impact our region as we go through the afternoon hours today into the evening hours. So if we pause it here at about 5 p.m., you can see a lot of showers and thunderstorms making their way through the region at that point. So pretty good chance of some of those showers. And as you go through the evening hours, about 8 p.m. tonight, that's when everything will start to exit the coast, move out to sea, and we'll see those skies begin to clear as we go through the overnight hours. Currently out there, multiple decks of clouds, overcast at that 17,000 foot level with unrestricted visibilities. The wind pretty light right now at about 4 knots, but that will be changing pretty quickly too as we go into the late morning and afternoon. We'll see those winds really ramp up and become pretty windy at times this afternoon, even when we do not have thunderstorms, but especially during times of thunderstorm activity. Temperature currently at 62 degrees, relative humidity at 90%. So looking at our 24-hour weather risk chart, you can see plenty of hazards to be concerned with today. Those winds will be increasing pretty quickly during the late morning and afternoon hours. We'll see winds gusting up to around 31 knots during the afternoon today, and could even be higher than that if we get a severe thunderstorm during the afternoon hours. Looks like we'll see cloudy skies through about 12 o'clock, and then as we get into the afternoon, we'll actually see some of those clouds begin to break up, and that will really hurt our chances improve our chances for thunderstorm activity in the afternoon as we get a little bit more instability run into the area as we see those temperatures bump up into the mid-70s. So expect a little bit of break in cloudiness, and then those thunderstorms becoming pretty abundant during the afternoon. Looking at a very likely chance that we'll see some precipitation out of these showers and storms, and about a 65% chance of seeing some thunderstorm activity right here at Wallops after 1 o'clock this afternoon through the hours of 5 p.m., running about a 65% chance of a thunderstorm, then about 55% from 5 p.m. to 8 p.m., and then seeing those thunderstorm chances die down after 8 p.m. tonight, only running about a 20% chance through 10 p.m., and then we'll see things really start to clear out pretty quickly after 10 p.m. this evening. So a pretty active day. Please make sure that you monitor your echo alerts. There's a pretty good chance of seeing some lightning advisories and warnings. Could see some severe storm watches issued by the National Weather Service today as well. So certainly keep a lookout for the weather, and be careful if you have any outdoor activities that you have planned for today. For Saturday, we'll see mostly sunny and windy conditions. We get up to a high of 70 degrees. Seeing those winds pretty likely to gust over 25 knots throughout the day. Saturday night, winds calm down. We'll see mostly cloudy skies with a low of 53. And then for Sunday, mostly cloudy skies during the morning. We'll see another front move through the region, but this will be a front that comes through without much moisture to work with, so not expecting any precipitation out of this frontal boundary, just some increase in cloudiness during the morning hours of Sunday, and we'll see partly cloudy skies during the afternoon, a warm day with breezy conditions and a high of 77 degrees. But that'll wrap it up for today's daily operations weather briefing. We'll be back again at 10 a.m. for a look at your extended forecast. Have a nice day.